How to fix account is already registered to another phone in GCash. Well, if you want to fix account is already registered to another phone in GCash, first of all, you have to understand why this happens, right? So first is that you can actually unregister it, right? So if you think that your account is still logged in on other devices, if you still have access to that old phone, open GCash, go to Profile, Settings, Account Security, and tap on Unregister Phone. If you don't have access to the old phone, you can simply proceed to the next steps. So if you're trying to log in after you verify the code is not letting you log in, go to help.gcash.com. So when you go to help.gcash.com, over here you'll find a chatbot, right? So just tap on chat with GG over here and just select you have or you already have a registered phone. I'm getting the prompt, this particular one over here, and it will give you some of the answers here. I'll check for you what's your GCash registered mobile number. So just go ahead and make sure to enter your mobile number, and it will help you with all of the other verifications that it might be able to do so. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.